Good morning and welcome to Harding's Wealth Managers on this Wednesday morning, the 15th of April. Hope you're all well and hope you're enjoying a bit of sunshine today. Blue skies and sunshine are much better than it has been the past couple of days. Monday was a bit of a rainy day and Tuesday was a wee bit of a cloudy day, but here we are today with blue skies and sunshine, so that's a good thing for us here in the northeast of Pennsylvania. I hope the sun's shining wherever you are. Okay, so the markets look like they're going to open this morning down a wee bit. The S&P looks like it's probably going to open down about 40 something points. The Dow looks like it's going to be down 413 and going higher. Well, maybe 410 right now. Yesterday the S&P closed at 2846.1. The Spider closed at 283.79. And as you know, I basically follow the SPY, the Spider, when I'm doing my Fibonacci retracement. Well, we hit the 50% level from its high to its low for this year at 277.14, and then we broke above. We broke above that to the 283 level. Well, 285 is a bit of a resistance level as far as the Spider is concerned. And so is the 50-day moving average, which is sitting at 287.49 right now. So those two levels are key kind of resistance levels. So hitting that 283.79 yesterday means to say that we kind of hit resistance, we're bouncing back down, and it kind of looks like 277.14 now in the Spider is where support is going to be. We need to hold that a couple of times, and if we hold that a couple of times and then we bounce off it, then we can expect this market to go higher. I don't know that I'm expecting that to actually happen. Oil has collapsed over the past 3 or 4 days. Actually, it shouldn't be so dramatic. I mean, that's more media-like. Oil has gone down over the past 4 or 5 days from the $27 a barrel WTI down to $19.67 WTI this morning. So it's had a bit of a decline. That despite the fact that OPEC and the Russians, etc., agreed to cut production. But then again, that cut isn't due to take place till starting May 1st. So there's many a slip between cup and lip between now and then. So that might be why we're seeing a little bit of a degradation in the oil price out there in the market right now. But hopefully that will change, and we'll start to see the markets move back up and the oil market move back up. Cruise lines seem to be doing quite well right now, as are airlines. The airlines certainly seem to be doing a lot better this morning, and that's probably because there was an agreement yesterday that the government would bail the airlines out with a $25 billion package, at least part of it anyway. That's the part I saw this morning. So that's why airlines are up today. Actually, I saw on CNBC yesterday afternoon, the CEO of Carnival they've already had new bookings for the end of this year. So it looks like they don't need a bailout at all, which will be a good thing in the long run, I think, for them altogether. So I'm expecting the markets to have a bit of a down day today. Nothing quite going on as far as the coronavirus thing. It's just basically due to the oil prices that we're seeing that degradation in the market today. But if we can hold that 277.14 level in the Spider, then I expect that we're going to see a little bounce back up to the 285 or so, something along those lines. But we'll see how that plays out going forward. But as I've mentioned in the past, I'm positioning us for the future, 3, 6, 9, 12 months down the line. And that being the case, that's what we're looking forward to. I did mention on Monday that I'd had a conversation with my son and my daughter-in-law on Sunday. Well, I'm a proud grandparent again of a 8-pound, 3-ounce little boy, Vincent Henrik Anthony Harding. My father's quite pleased with the Anthony part because that's my dad's first name, and he was quite honored when I mentioned to him yesterday that my son and daughter-in-law had given Vincent my dad's name. So my father was very, very pleased and very honored with that. On that, hope all's well. Hope you're all well and keeping your social distancing and your washing of hands and all that kind of thing. Seems like it's working. The recovery rate per, there's about 400 and something thousand people, 490 something thousand people recovered from coronavirus so far, and of the number of cases that have been, that works out at almost a 24.5% recovery rate, which is up from 23.1% on Monday. So whatever we're doing, it altogether, it seems like it's working, and thank goodness for our healthcare workers who are helping everybody through this as much as they possibly can. Anyway, hope all is well. I'll probably speak to you again on Friday, and until then, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye for now.